We may not make it through there. Okay, here we are. This is the bad spot.
Connected.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today, it wasn't raining, so I actually got to ride the bike to work for the first time. Even though the rest of the week, or it looks like 15 days, it shows rain every day, so I may have to ride in the rain if I want to go. So, I'm going to just go ride a few dirt roads and enjoy the evening a little bit before I go home, so here we go. Okay, slow her down. I don't want to split that sucker. I don't want to get drenched. A little rough through here. Been some flooding going on, I'd say, which it always does down through this bottom. Going too much speed, you could use a little better tire. The factory tire does decent, but I could use some more bite on this when you get into a little bit looser stuff. That's fine on the hard pack. Yep, it's a little washed out right here. Definitely. This was a creek bed. And here. It's way down. This used to be up here. You gotta watch for deer when you're high speeding down these back roads, because those suckers run out everywhere. Haven't seen one yet. I am surprised. Surprised this spot's still here. It usually washes out really bad right through here. Unless they came through and fixed it, but it didn't look like it. It's a pretty long ride down through here, so just hang in there, guys. The thing you gotta watch is the little low water bridge crossings when they're wet. I mean, these dudes here, they get slick. That was the hill I was going to look at back there. It was washed out so bad you couldn't even hardly go up it. I mean, I have, but it was getting really bad. Let's see. You can see where the waters come out of here. We may not be able to make it through here. We may not make it through there. Okay, here we are. This is a bad spot. It don't look too bad. It's rutted real bad there. I see where somebody's went around, but I think if I stay left right there, and that's usually where it gets really bad. But of course on the camera it don't look steep, but it's really steep. So we're gonna try it. Oh man, I'm telling you, them big old rocks I'm running over about to kick off one of the tires. make you go down. I got my left foot out balancing. We are at the top. The best way to go is just go, because if you stop in the middle, then it's hard to ever get back going again. That was fun. Wow, okay. It's Mark Twain National Forest. Uh-oh, lead bog. It may be too. I hope the heck not. Oh no. Wasn't bad at all. Now this is, whoa, this is, that is right there. Thought I was going to go down right there. Cross-rutted. Here's another one. Oh yeah, that's deep. I'm sinking in. I can feel it pulling the motor down right through there. And another one. You don't know which side to take. Sometimes the side that looks like deep water and the worst, that's the best, because sometimes it's a hard bottom, and it's the side that looks good is nothing but mud, and you sink up to your skid plate. But I made it. Sweet. Go up this hill. Oh, that hill wasn't bad anyway. A little loose. But I gotta run at it anyway. Now this is where I'll crash if I hit that fast, because I'm right there, I'm going sideways. There's a log jump. Okay guys, woo, stupid log was slick. Crash the 300L. I don't even think I heard anything. Praise the Lord. Turn my mirror. Hurt myself. Hurt my pride. Sweet. See that log? They hit it. Front tire went okay. Back tire slid that way. Went sideways. Dang it. It happens. Woo! You can see where I skid right there. Laid it over. It didn't help when I landed. It's muddy and I landed on this slick stuff and it just washed out. Oh well. You're not hurt till the bone's sticking out. See if we can do it again. Or see if we can keep from doing it again. It's slick and it's not out here. These wet leaves. And they're on top of mud. Well, there's you guys a little more adventure in the video. brakes, Jake. Ooh, that's sloppy. It's like no water, but it was just super sloppy on top. Sunk in probably 4 or 5 inches. I'm almost back to the highway, I think. To another highway. There she is. Alright guys, I'm back. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up on this video if you like it. Subscribe down below. Check out my Amazon store for your Honda CRF300L and 250L parts. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Right on.